The idea being with Fox TV, these guys are able to open airways. So for us, dollars have been spent with Fox. Clearwire.
For him, that's really getting through.
What are you doing?
Right now, there are heavy flakes falling.
And where is heading next? What's the light in the radar? Turn to the...
Aside from smoke and water damage, the rest of the apartment. Romero, Team 5 News. 2 people were slightly injured in the fire. A woman twisted her ankle trying to escape, and another tenant who was hit in poor smoke inhalation.
And more of the same. Fire tears through a home in South Snohomish County. Fortunately, nobody was hurt in the fire at 129 Meadows Place Southeast.
You ready?